What's up, guys? I'm Caden with Crypto Now or Never. Today I'm back with another update on Jasmy as it has recently gotten destroyed because of Bitcoin. Please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Help me pump that algorithm. I'd greatly appreciate it. None of this is financial advice. Let's get into it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want.
Now, if you guys start out by looking at the monthly chart on Jasmy, we have had a very nice uptrend. We are up 113% in the last month, and that is even after the recent dump. But now I do want to point out, when Bitcoin fell, Jasmy did not actually fall that much at all. There are a lot of other altcoins that fell significantly harder. In fact, I just got done covering ICP and HBAR, and both of them got destroyed. And I'll go over technical analysis at the end of the video, but Jasmy actually does not look too bad at all. See, a lot of other coins out there broke the 200-day moving average, which is the golden line right here. Jasmy is still way above that level. But anyways, Jasmy is currently trading at a price point of just under 4 cents. Their market cap is 1.8 billion, which ranks 55th among all cryptocurrencies. So they have officially broken right back beneath 2 billion. But again, that's expected because Bitcoin fell. So if you guys are looking to accumulate Jasmy on the dip, I recommend using Binance or Coinbase. I think those are the two easiest centralized exchanges to use. And then if you scroll down to the Jasmy news section, you can see that there are actually a lot of bullish articles on Jasmy now. And it's crazy how fast the sentiment can shift. And this is what I always try and tell you guys, because so many people get impatient in crypto. When something's not pumping, they give up on that project. But the second that something has a breakout, there's going to be so much FOMO around that project. So obviously it's always very important to remain calm in crypto. But we'll go ahead and hop straight into the Jasmy news. This is their X account, and they've actually only posted one time since my last video, and it's a repost of Hara. Thank you all for coming to our event in Saigon. Thank you for hosting CGVFOF. And I know I say it in pretty much every Jasmy video, but I love to see when they attend events. And my perspective on that is never going to change, because that is what is going to help onboard more people to your project. And especially if you are an investor, that's what you want to see. But the amazing thing about Jasmy is even with the lack of posting on their social media accounts, they are still holding up extremely well. But now we'll go over some macro news that could possibly have an effect on the crypto market. So this is Watcher Guru's X account. And the first thing is they just posted 21 hours ago, Binance surpasses 200 million active users. And then on June 7th, Donald Trump calls himself a crypto president at San Francisco Tech Fundraiser. Now, regardless of whether you guys like Donald Trump or not, it is still very good to see that politicians are starting to embrace crypto. And then I also want to show you guys the CNBC's reaction to Keith Gill's live stream. And before you guys watch this, a lot of people think it's connected to this right here on June 7th. $300 million liquidated from the cryptocurrency market in the past 60 minutes. Now, whether there's any truth to that, who knows? Most likely not, but I guess it's possible.
Well, we're coming back with breaking news because the live stream has finally started. You can see that right there. About 28 or so minutes late, but nonetheless, it is underway. And we'll see exactly what's gonna happen there. Andrew Left's still standing by. We'll give you updates when they happen. You can judge for yourself what's going on your screen. So let's do some of these moves. Amazon, you bought more.
And I've actually said this several times. I understand that GameStop isn't crypto, but I still think it's very bullish for crypto. Because you have to understand how many people out there are investing in crypto with the hopes of getting rich from an investment. So seeing someone that got rich off of GameStop is going to be very bullish, because stories like that happen all the time in crypto. And then lastly, on June 6th, Standard Chartered Bank says Bitcoin will reach $150,000 if Donald Trump wins the presidential election. Now, 150K is not a small amount. That's over double where we are right now. So it's definitely not something that's super easy to accomplish, but I also don't think it's impossible either. Let me know down in the comments, do you guys think 150K is possible if he wins the election? But while we're on X, you guys should come over and give your boy a follow, at Crypto Now or Never. I post on here all the time, so there's some information you guys aren't going to want to miss out on. And then I would also like to take a moment to talk about my private Discord through Patreon. So at the current moment, I have 3 different tiers, and there are many benefits to joining my Discord. For example, you guys are going to have closer access to me, and you guys are going to be able to track the cryptos that I'm personally buying, selling, considering buying, and even the cryptos that I currently hold. And most of the cryptos we trade in here are microcap gems, less than 10 million in market cap. A lot of you guys out there are thrilled with making 113% gains in the last month for Jasmy. We see gains like that all the time. For example, we made 539% gains on Trump in less than a week. But the gains go on and on. We have been making thousands and thousands of percent through this initial pump, and we are not even close to the heights of the bull market yet. So if this sounds like something that might interest you guys, I have the link right here on my YouTube homepage. We're building a very strong community. I would love to have you guys in here. But now for the final part of this video, I'll get into some technical analysis. So this is Jasmy on the 4-hour time frame. And at the beginning of my video, I said Jasmy actually looks a lot better, and it does, but there are still some concerning things. And the first one is this most recent 4-hour candle. It's a bearish engulfing candle. That's not ideally what you want to see. And the issue we ran into is that when Bitcoin crashed, it broke beneath the 21-day moving average. So then if we're going to get a little bit of a recovery, we have to get back above that level. And we didn't. We got rejected. And that's why you never want to break beneath those levels. So honestly, at the current moment for Jasmy, it's kind of sandwiched between a resistance level and a support level, the 21-day and the 50-day. So it's actually kind of easy right now. You just want to watch these two moving averages. Whichever level breaks is going to give you a much better idea of the direction that Jasmy is going to be heading in the short term. And actually, while we speak, this candle is getting bought up a little bit. So by the time you guys are seeing this video, perhaps Jasmy will have had a nice reversal and we're right back up to this level. But Bitcoin is actually the more important thing to be watching right now, because if Bitcoin gets hammered again, then it's going to bring Jasmy down with it. And for Bitcoin, you could actually argue it's forming a bear flag, which breaks down 68% of the time. And this bear flag in particular would have a measured move down to about 67,000, which would put us right at the level of retesting the 200-day moving average. And as I was saying for Jasmy, we absolutely do not want to lose this level, especially for Bitcoin, because we had not been above this level since April 12th. And it's kind of an unwritten rule in crypto that if you were trading beneath the 200-day on the 4-hour time frame, altcoins are going to be bearish. So ideally, we just continue consolidating for a little while before we get the breakout. But at the end of the day, just always remember crypto is still an extremely volatile asset class. Anything can happen. But that's about all. Let me know down in the comments, how high do you guys think Jasmy will go this bull run? If you found this content valuable, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day.